Hi everyone and welcome back to another vlog. My name is Daniela. If you don't know me, I love to crochet plushies and today we will be working in my spring collection. Right now I think I will add 4 designs: a dog, a flower body, a bunny and a bee. So let's start with the vlog. As I told you, my first idea is a dog and I actually already made it. So here he is. He has a super cute hat and he's gorgeous. I recorded him for another vlog. You can take out his hat if you want and change accessories for all the other seasons. That's what I'm planning to do. So let's start with my second project. I want to make a flower body. Last year I made something like that. It's this one and it performed extremely well. So I want to make something similar this year, but updating the flowers body to a new one that better suits my style now. And this time we will be doing a sunflower. So we will be using green, brown and yellow yarn. Many of you have been asking me about the brand that I use. So I love using Alice Softy Plus. So let's start crocheting. Here is how the body is looking right now. I use my Space Collection pattern as a base, but I changed a couple of things on how I joined both legs. Now I'm going to work on the petals of the flower. I want to add them while crocheting this round so that I don't have to sew them later. So now I will be working on them and then we will be finishing the body. done with the body of our sunflower body. I love that when seen from the front, it looks like he just have like a funny hat. And then when you see it from the front, you can see the actual flower. So right now I'm only missing the arms and the final details in the face. For the arms, I would like to make some leaves instead. And for the final details, I think I will just add the eyelid around the eye and the small smile. So let's finish this project. Hi friends, I finished the sunflower body and I love his leaves arms. I'm still not completely happy with how the face is looking. I may change the smile for felt, but for now I will leave it as it is. So now we will move to the next project. I want to make a bunny, and since it's for spring, I want to add her small flowers. I don't know if I want to make a full crown or just a flower in each ear, but I think we will decide that until the end when I have finished the body and I can actually see how big are the flowers. So for now we will start crocheting. Hi guys, I already finished all of the pieces that we will be sewing to the final body. I had to redo the ears because I didn't like the first one that I did, so I changed the pattern for the second one and then made again the first one, and I think I like them way more than my first attempt. So now we will be working in the body. I'm finally done with the body and I am super happy with how it turned out. I love the bunny's tail. I also noticed that the ears were too big for it, so I took out one round from each. I still don't know if I will take out another round, but for now I will be sewing everything to the body. I will do the flowers, sew them, and get back to you with the final result. For this last project, we will be working in my Buzzy Blossom. This is going to be a bee, and it is inspired in a character of League of Legends, which is, I think it's called Dango Bee or something like that. I will leave the image in here. We will be making almost the same, but I will be changing some things. And here is the color palette that we will be using for this project. So let's start working. Hi friends, I'm finally done with the body of our cute bee. I really like how it's looking. I was really worried about this part because I wasn't sure if it was going to be too big for the body, but I think it is perfect. So now we will be working in the other parts. For the legs, I'm going to make 4 and I will be using the purple yarn that I used for the horns and this section. For the wings, I will be using white yarn, and for the flowers that are going to make part of the wings, I first thought of using this pink yarn, but I decided that I prefer to use this one that has like green details, and I think the flowers would look pretty good with that one. So let's finish our bee. Our bee is finished and I'm in love with the final result. This is going to be the fourth pattern of my spring collection. I think I will be adding one more pattern, but I will do it in another vlog. So for now, tell me in the comments which is your favorite pattern. The Buzzy Blossom, our super cute bunny, the spring dog with his removable hat, or the sunflower body. I think I'm between these two, but I still cannot choose which one is my favorite. But that's it for this vlog. Thank you if you watched till here. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe because that will help me a lot to bring you more content like this one. And I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye!